Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a survey on SurveyMonkey. So the first step that you need to do is create an account because otherwise you can't create a survey. Then after that, what we're going to do is we go right here to create a survey. And then right here you can decide if you want to start from scratch, copy an existing survey, but if you are here for the first time, you won't have this option because then you already needed to create a survey, build a survey with AI, pick a popular template, paste your questions or build a target audience. Right now we are interested in start from scratch, so we can do all the basics right here. Then the first thing that we are going to do is we give our survey a title. So we call this one, let's do YouTube videos, for example. There we go. Then we can align this one. So we do center align because I like that. And then we do save. So now we are having here the title and now we can start creating our first question. So let's do as first question, what is your name? There we go. And then people can fill in automatically right here their name. So if you click on save, you see right here that this is the question and people can fill in their name. And if you go right here to this bar where you will find that green button, we click on add content and text because we want to give this page a title and we call this one personal information. There we go. And then we do a little bold and then we do save. So right now we are having here the title of our survey, the page title, and then we have one question right here. What if you want another question? Then we do add content question and then we can ask them, how old are you? Okay, what is this sign? Okay, strange. Then we can select right here because he is also using AI. So when we are creating a question, he will also give you automated questions right here. So we can click on add all and then we do right here, save for example. There we go. And then right now we created already 2 questions and this is seriously how easy it is. But let's say we're having now his name and his age. Then we want to create a new page with the quiz. So let's say we want to create a quiz right there. Then we do new page. Then we are right here and we want to give this page a title first. So now we are asking some knowledge. There we go. This is again just an example, guys. Then we do save and then we can start creating right here by add content or first question. So what we're going to do right here is we ask how many subscribers does Flux Media has? Now, then they can give some questions and what we can do is we can enable right here, enable quiz mode. So let's do that from here. And then we can tell them 10K, 20K, and let's do right here 30K. And then we can give them points. So let's say if this is the only correct answer, we can do right here 0, 0. And if they're having a correct answer, they can receive 10 points. Now, then we do right here save. And now we created right here our first question. Or yeah, they're standing 3 because we already created 2 questions. But this is the first question of our page. Now we can add now more questions if you want to do that. So let's do one more. Let's do right here hi. Just for example. And then what you can do right here also is you have a lot of options how you can create the questions. Now, when we click right here on comment box and you see right here this little lock, you need to upgrade your license. So be careful with that because just use the free one. Okay, we are having here a checkbox. There right now we can checkbox here a lot of answers. So maybe if you fill in 10 answers and 4 are correct, then you can check mark it right there. And if you like that people can receive points, enable always the quiz mode. Okay, we do save right here. Now then delete this one, this is fine. And now we go to preview survey because now we can check our survey. And if you go next and then you do done right here, and you do done right here, for example, you see that this is the end of the preview. Okay, this is fine. I like this one. We do continue again. Then it will send you right here to publish the survey. And you can send the survey link to people with copy right here and then copy it right there. And then there we go. This is how he sent you to your survey. And this is And these are the ways how you can send your survey to someone else. So keep that in mind. If you want to change the settings of your survey, then we can click right here on settings. And then you have a lot of options right here, like multiple responses, like anonymous responses. And if you go to show advanced, you can also create a password or a cutoff date or response limits. And then after that, he automatically save it for you, and then you can send it to someone else right here. This is what you need to know to make a survey and send it to someone else. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.